as boys, we used to catch fish in the river. So what we do, usually we will have bottles and glass bottles, and we keep it aside, and then we will use our hands and catch fish and put them into the bottles. And then after a while, we will have different bottles have different amounts of fish. So we will be so happy about that.
Church has to be always a united body. And in unity, there is a force.
So bringing people together, forging solidarity, that is one thing we do.
In the early 1970s, Ethiopian evangelical churches were persecuted by the communists. So that was really the cause of the evangelical churches, the reason they came together.
But now, the Evangelical Alliance role is actually a different way of catching fish. What we used to do, we have something called sarong, which is a big cloth. So we hold that cloth together, few of us getting together, and then one go to the head of the river, and then he chase the fish down, and we are holding the cloth together, and we will get a huge catch of fish.
Not only for the government's sake, but for our own sake, we need to be united. We need to be putting our efforts together. We need to be partnering together in sharing our resources, our expertise, our personnel, so that together we can accomplish a greater task.
And it is unity not just for unity's sake. It is unity to have common reflection and then common united action on issues that concern us.
Can you imagine 70 plus denominations, 35,000 churches, over 300 support or para-church organizations, speaking as one?
Partnering together with other national alliances around the world, there's probably lots of lessons that we aren't even aware that we could learn.
The victories in Sri Lanka, the victories in Cambodia, the victories in China and elsewhere is also our victory, because we're part of the universal church of the Lord. And when we see and hear what's happening in the United States, in Canada, or in Guatemala, in Honduras, we celebrate that because we're part of one body.
Now, Evangelical Alliance, what we're really thinking about, our role is helping and equipping and bringing the churches together to have a greater catch of fish by getting them together